Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Voice activity. So if you want to delete your Google Voice and audio activity, so follow these steps. So open Google Chrome and sign into your account. Click your profile in the top right corner and click Manage your Google account. Now go to the left side and select Data and Privacy. Next, select My Activity. Now in here, look for Web and App Activity and click on that. Then you can turn this off or you can enable auto delete. So you can enable 3 months, 18, or 36 months and confirm the action. Next, down here, so scroll down and you can also filter by date and product. Then you can also search your activity right here, or you can also select delete and you can custom it. You can select last hour, last day, or all time. So choose all time, then click next, click delete, and confirm the deletion, and that's it. So this deletes all web and app activity, not just voice recordings. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.